My name is Gabriel Josafat Reyes Alcantara, and I want to talk about one of the people I admire the most, Kazuki Takahashi, the creator of Yu-Gi-Oh! Firstly, Kazuki Takahashi was born on October 4, 1961 in Tokyo, Japan. He began his career in the 90s, working on several minor projects that didn't gain much attention. Despite many reactions, he never gave up on his dream of creating a successful manga. Secondly, after more than 8 years of hard work and perseverance, Kazuki Takahashi finally achieved success in 1996 with the publication of Yu-Gi-Oh! In Weekly Shonen Jump. In the beginning, the story focused on a boy named Yugimuto who loved playing games. The manga was inspired by Kazuki's own experience playing games with his friends during his university years. However, it was introduction of the Duel Monster, a strategy card game within the manga that truly captured the audience's imagination. Then, in 1999, something incredible happened. A real-life card game based on the Duel Monster was launched. At first, it was just a small project, but it quickly became a global phenomenon. Millions of people around the world started playing the Yu-Gi-Oh! Trading game cards. After that, Kazuki Takahashi took a step back from drawing manga and focused more on everything the franchise. He worked as producer for the sequels and spin-off of Yu-Gi-Oh! Sadly, Kazuki Takahashi passed away on July 6, 2022 at the age of 60. He died while trying to save a child who was drowning off the coast of Okinawa. I admire Kazuki Takahashi because he never gave up on publishing his magnum opus Yu-Gi-Oh! And despite everything, he kept trying till he succeeded, and that motivates me to keep moving forward.